at that. It looks like the Barracuda has struck again, and his crimes are escalating. Last week it was a goldfish, and now this. It's up to you and I to follow the evidence to find that Barracuda. Are you ready? I need you to stay close and follow my each and every move. Let's go. If I can find him. You stay out of here and stay out of trouble. I'll be back.
My mic's not on. There it is. Clyde, what are you doing out here all alone? Don't you know that somebody like me, the Barracuda, can sneak up behind you and choke you?
Aha! I caught you. You were trying to choke Clyde.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. And now I get to blast you.
What? I hate this part.
Remember the last show when I was the Barracuda?
Yeah. It was funnier when it was me. Are you done?
Nope. No, I'm done.
I wasn't trying to choke Clyde. All you have to do is touch him.
What? Like this? Wow, it works! Huh. What about if I tried to touch him in a different place, like right here? Or here? How about no hands? That's ridiculous. You're too much. Well, that does not excuse the fact, Barracuda, that we all know you stole that fish. Just confess. Well, take a look at that. I guess it wasn't you after all.